Yes, we are back. Welcome back to Philippine Cinema's most prestigious event of the year. This is the MMFF 50 Gabi ng Parangal.
It is indeed an eventful celebration para sa Golden Edition ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Kaya naman all the artists, filmmakers, and producers have pulled out all the stops to showcase their amazing work.
That's right, Gabby. We all gathered tonight kasama ang mga industry greats and new generation artists to pay tribute to the art of Pinoy filmmaking.
Ayan, 5 dekada ng paggawa ng mga dekalidad na pelikula at ngayong gabi, pararangalan ang bawat isa for their brilliant works and outstanding talent.
Yup, tonight the stars will shine bright. Kaya naman, let's kickstart the show with our first presenters of the evening. Mula sa MMFF 50 official entry Uninvited, ito na ang mahuhusay na aktor ng kanilang henerasyon. Please welcome Gabby Padilla and Elijah Canlas.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, tradisyon na ang Parade of Stars ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Inaabangan ng lahat na pumarada ang kanilang mga iniidolong artista sakay ng mga naggagandahang floats.
Every year, MMFF floats are designed not only to wow the audience, but also to showcase a visual representation that captures each film's story. Narito ang mga nominado para sa Best Float. Uninvited. Topak. Espantajo. My Future You. And the breadwinner is...
And the winner for the Best Float Award is... It's a tie!
Uninvited!
And Topak! Hindi naman talaga.
To present the award is MMFF spokesperson, Mr. Noel Ferrer.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa MMFF. And of course, gusto ko lang po talagang batiin ang talagang napakasarap pong kasama sa journey na ito. Palapakan naman po natin si Tita Ibiang, Miss Sylvia Sanchez, na mas lalong pinasaya yung journey ng buong Uninvited dahil kasama namin yung Topak. Ayan.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Metro Manila Film Fest, salamat dito. Pinangarap ko talaga to, honestly. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, kaya nandito yung director ko kasi siya yung gumawa ng float namin. Artist po siya, sabi ko sa kanya, isa lang talagang sinabi ko sa kanya, Direk, gawa tayo ng float at gusto kong manalo ng best float. Sabi nga ni Direk, ang simple lang ng gusto mo, yes, kasi may kwento lang ako konti. Noon, sumali ako sa Metro Manila Film Fest, sumakay ako, ang daming tao sa float. Sabi ko, isang araw, magpuproduce ako at gagawa ako ng sarili kong float na ako sasakay and pipilitin ko talaga, papangarapin ko na mananalo ako. At sa gabing to, natupad po.
Isisingil ko na lang po, maraming salamat kay Irene Diesta. At least, 3 beses ka nang nanalo.
Kami po yung dalawang producers, magulo talaga pag palagi nagmi-meeting. And Yun pa yun. So ngayong gabi, natupad yung pangarap ng isang batang artista no, na best float lang ang gusto. Gusto ko sumakay sa sarili kong float na ako mismong nagpagawa. And thank you, Direk Richard Somes, sa napakatalino na ginawa mong float. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Again, a big congratulations. Dreams do come true. Good job to Uninvited and Topak Best Floats.
Congratulations!
We got more awards to give out.
Yes.
And moving on, tawagin na natin ang ating next set of presenters.
To present nominees for the Gender Sensitivity Award, let's give it up for MMFF spokesperson Mr. Noel Ferrer and Drag Race Philippines Season 3 Queen Versex.
Ang Gender Sensitivity Award ay unang iginawad ng MMFF noong 2003 sa pelikulang Homecoming starring Miss Alessandra De Rossi, directed by Gil Portes.
This award is given to films that raise awareness on gender equality concerns, gaya ng pag-unawa sa gender roles, stereotypes, biases, at pag-educate sa mga manonood tungkol sa iba pang gender-related issues sa lipunan.
Here are the nominees for the Gender Sensitivity Award.
Oh, we have to
I don't know. Where? Not here.
Here, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
we're supposed to read it here.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Okay, this is no longer the nominee. I think the winner for the Gender Sensitivity Award is
And the breadwinner is...
by ABS-CBN Film Productions and the Idea First Company. Congratulations!
To present the trophy is Irene Jose.
Congrats!
To present the
Congratulations.
trophy is Mr. Jace Bartolome.
Ito rin po yung pangarap ko, gumawa ng pelikula at manalo ng Gender Sensitivity Award. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagkilala sa pelikula namin.
Maraming salamat po sa Gender Sensitive Award na ito. At masayang-masaya po ako at ang LGBTQIA+ community dahil nakapagpakita tayo ng isang mukha ng ating komunidad na makapagpapabukas lalo ng lalong pangunawa at pagmamahal sa lipunan. Maraming salamat po.
Winner na winner. And the breadwinner is, especially for that category. All right, congratulations. Kinikilala ng MMFF ang talento anuman ang edad at estado sa buhay.
Kaya naman MMFF supports our budding filmmakers as we include them in our movie festival.
And to present the Best Student Short Film Award is MMFF Hall of Famer, Direk Jose Javier Reyes. With lots of fans.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the next generation of the Filipino filmmakers. The winner of the third best student short film goes to, from the University of the Philippines, Mindanao, PNB 1250. The winner of the second best student short film is from the city of Malabon University, a delivery rider. Please come on stage. Okay. And the best student short film is from the University of Makati. Saan aabot ang 50 pesos mo? Tagal pa ba? But wait, there's more. Dahil sa dami ng mga magagandang entries na galing sa mga estudyante sa taong ito, the Board of Jurors decided to give a special jury prize to another student short film from the Mindanao State University, General Santos City, Inang Wakwak. Congratulations.
At ayan po, congratulations sa lahat ng ating student winners for this evening. Magbabalik po ang MMF 50, Gabi ng Parangal.
Man, we're seeing icons everywhere. Welcome back to MMFF 50 Gabi ng Parangal. At ngayon naman, malalaman na natin ang mga nagwagi sa mga kategoryang Best Visual Effects, Best Child Performer, and Best Production Design.
Unahin na natin ang Best Visual Effects. To present the award, let's call in a producer of the MMFF 50 entry, Uninvited, from Mentor Productions, Mr. Brian Jamante. And, of course, one of the stars as well of Uninvited, Mr. Ketchup Eusebio.
However, mali. Sa mundo ng pelikula,
ang mga mundong tila sa panaginip lang natin mararating ay nagiging mas makatotohanan.
Sa big screen, pumapasok tayo sa mundong magical, enchanting at maging out of this world. Dahil na rin sa mahuhusay na visual effects na mahalagang parte ng paggawa ng pelikula.
Sinasaluduhan ng MMFF ang mahuhusay na Pinoy visual effects artist dahil ang kanilang husay at talento ang nagdadala sa atin sa iba't ibang mundo.
Ngayong MMFF 50, narito ang mga nominado para sa kategoryang Best Visual Effects.
Gaspar Magaling and Wonder Monte, Espantajo. Engine Room and Green Maya, Isang Himala. San Telmo Studio 8, My Future You. Mothership Inc., Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Riot Inc., The Kingdom.
Ayan. At ang MMFF 50 Best Visual Effects winner ay... Go co-producer.
Riot Inc., The Kingdom.
To present the award is Doris Jimenez.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat in behalf of Riot at saka in behalf of the Kingdom team. Maraming salamat for this award, for this recognition. Salamat.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you, thank you. Everyone was so excited for your speech.
Short and sweet.
Yeah, direct to the point.
Tama yan, Robbie. Kaya congratulations once again to our Best Visual Effects winner.